Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to enable or disable USB port in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Before going to achieve that, let's understand what is Device Manager. What is a Device Manager? It is a software component of the Microsoft Windows operating system which is like a command center of all the hardware peripherals connected to the system. And what are the four main functions involved in device management? Like open and close device drivers, communicate with the device drivers, control and monitor device drivers, write and install device drivers. What is the purpose of Device Manager? Device Manager displays a graphical view of the hardware that is installed on your computer. Use this tool when you want to view and manage hardware devices and their drivers. How many types of devices are there? Peripherals are commonly divided into three kinds: input devices, output devices, and storage devices, which partake of the characteristics of the first two. Let's see how to enable and disable USB port. Go to search option in Windows 11 and here type Device Manager. Here we can see Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Click on this. Here there are so many USB composite device and storage device. Okay, so if you want to enable or disable, you can click on enable or disable here. So now I will click on this storage device. I will disable it. Do you really want to disable it? Yes. Now you can see the USB mass storage device, it got disabled. If you want to enable, again right click of this and click on enable device. Now you can see it has enabled. Okay, and I am going to give one more tips, like in a shortcut way how we can open Windows Device Manager. How to open Device Manager in Windows 11 or Windows 10 via keyboard shortcut. So you can press Windows plus X will open the tools layout menu, while the M key will automatically select Device Manager and open it. So let's try on this. Press Windows X. Okay, and press now M option. Now you got the Device Manager window. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.